Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious coconut lime bars. To get started, I'm going to set my dry pan over medium heat and add 2 cups of coconut flakes to that. You're going to stir that and let that toast for about 7 minutes or until it's slightly brown. And just keep an eye on it. You don't want to walk away because it can burn very quick. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. I just love the smell of toasted coconut. Oh my goodness, it's just so good. I mean, I could just eat the toasted coconut by itself. At this point, I'm going to remove it from the stove because it will continue to toast up some more while it sits. Okay, let's work on the base for this dessert. To my bowl, I'm going to add 1 box of white cake mix. To that, I'm going to add half of the toasted coconut. I'm saving the rest for later to put on top. Mix that together. Okay, now I'm going to add 1 stick of melted butter to that, and you're going to mix that until it's combined. To me, this is just a perfect dessert for summer. It just tastes like summer. I'm going to switch over to my hands because it's just easier to mix everything together. Next, you're going to line a 13 by 9 inch pan with aluminum foil. All you have to do now is put the mixture in your pan and press it out evenly. Bake this in a preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 12 minutes. While that is cooling off, we're going to work on the filling. To my mixing bowl, I'm going to add 1 package of cream cheese, and you want your cream cheese to soften at room temperature. I'm adding 1 can of sweetened condensed milk to that. I'm adding the zest from 3 limes. And I'm also adding the juice from the 3 limes. Take your mixer and beat that for 2 minutes. You always want to make sure you go in there and scrape down your bowl. The very last thing I'm adding are 3 eggs, but I'm going to add them one at a time and beat them in. All you have to do now is pour this over your base, then bake it. Make sure it goes all the way to the edge. Bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Oh, look at this. Look how perfect it is. Oh my goodness. And by the way, when you take it out of the oven, it's going to look puffed up a little bit like this. But as it cools, it's going to sink down. Also, at this point, I'm going to add the rest of my toasted coconut on top. And then when you're finished, you're just going to let it sit there until it's completely cool before you cut it. I'm just making sure the coconut is evenly distributed on top. Okay, now that it's nice and cool, I'm going to remove it from the pan and slice it. I'm always so nervous to cut anything because I'm not a good cutter. I just don't cut anything straight. These bars are just so irresistible. They're decadent, they're delightful, refreshing, summery, heavenly. I mean, I could go on and on. So I just really hope you give this one a try. Let this be your summer dessert. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.